Hello everyone, welcome to a new ICP for web and mobile programming. Uh, in this ICP, I will talk about two tasks, the timer task and to-do list task. I will start talking about a little bit about the coding here, about both tasks, and I will go ahead and show you the output for both of them. So as you can see here, this is the timer HTML code. And as you can see, I start like doing the classes, different class for the rows, so I could put the timer and buttons in one row, and the user will be able to enter the time as well, as you can see here in this input. Also, then this function also there will be like a start timer function, and that's why we put the function over here. And also that's why we have the timer components, TX timer components. And as you can see, for this function, for example, uh, we got them here. So start timer, and once the user start the timer, that will be the lift time and the how much time is left, and how much um, since it's a time for starting and resume or stop. Going down here, so we have the countdown control button. That's that we have the class for one row to define many buttons. So as you can see here, we have the start button and stop button, pause, resume, and restart. And if you're wondering about these app component type strips, those are um, used for unit tests of the app, and we can use it by running ng tests, as I did in here, and that's why I got the link for that app. So we have to have run ng test command in Angular CLI in this area. So that's what exactly I did here, and so I could get the a link below here. So you just, after doing that, you just run the ng server, and then it will give you the link for that app. And that's why we have the CLI components here, and using the functions for both from timer and to-do list. And for to-do list component HTML code, pretty much including classes that patient names and all information about patients, like codes for generating and remove to do patient list. Like if I have patient, I can add patient or remove patient record. Also, that's pretty much kind of information I added in there. I'll actually also, as you can see here, for example, for the entering like patient name, for example, kind of like basic information, and then I can also add a button to delete a patient from the list as well, as you can see here. It's pretty much easy coding for this task. The only issues that I face is how to combine both in as a one in one app. That's the issues that I faced so far, but I'm glad I got through all these. Um, and I'm gonna show you the output for this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this link, and here's the output. So this is to-do list. Add a new, I can just add the date, any date, for example, any like September 23rd, for example, and patient name, for example, Ali. And then I can add another new patient. This is good for like doing um, for payments. So I mean, for dentist clinics or whatever clinics, like healthy clinics, appointments. Um, and sorry, that was my timer. That was my timer for the video. Sorry about that. Any names, for example, and yeah, and I can delete it as well, as you can see. And for the timer, I can just put the timer, whatever, like for 5 minutes, for example, 350 seconds, timer, and then like start timer and start counting timer. I can pause, I can resume, I can stop, and then I can restart. And it's good. And that's all about ICP5 for web and mobile programming. Thank you for watching.